Sir, I am Jyoti. I have completed my graduation in 2016 in Electronics and Communication branch from PNS Institute of Technology, Bangalore. And during the college days, I worked, I took some of the lead role in selling some events tickets. And later, after my graduation, I worked as a salesperson in a startup company. So, and then
Keep the mic a
after
bit near to your mouth.
Yes, sir, am I
Yes, go
audible
ahead.
now?
Yes, you're
Okay.
audible. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, and then after seeing the growth in the sales profile, I thought this is the profile that suits my personality, and this is and my skill. I can encash my skills in this. So that is the reason
Okay.
I thought I should be going for Byju's for a BDA role. And then and I also looking to work in Byju's because this is a growing company where I can excel in the domain that I'm looking for. And thank you, sir.
Okay, cool. Jyoti, I want to understand one thing, that you are a 2016 graduate.
Yes,
So
sir.
from like 4 or 5 years, what were you doing all this time?
Okay, sir, I worked as a UI developer in one of the company, and I also worked as a UI trainer for a couple of years. And then I thought that is not a very I thought like that does not suit me because you have to be working all the time, and that is not that much rewarding as a BDA is. So here is
Okay.
a job where if you can put 9 or 8 hours daily, and this is something very much rewarding, I can have a very good growth in this as well. So compared to the domain that I was working before.
Okay.
And
But
I
see, I'll tell
also
you, there's a huge difference between a developer role and a BDA role. In BDA, you
yes,
have to work like in a hectic domain. Okay. So job role will be hectic, and working hours can extend up to 9, 10 in the night as well. If you're
yes.
conducting with a customer, talking to a customer, cracking a deal, so it can go up to 9, 10 also. So why do you want to go do such a hectic job?
Sir, there are many things. The first thing is, as I told you, that there is a good growth in this. And secondly, sir, what I found similar between the development role and this PDI is you have to be more creative. You have to be more engaging. So in the
Mhm.
development role, you have to be very creative. And even in this also, when you speak, you will be encountering with new people with new problems. So we have to be more creative, and we should have a presence of mind to deal with the things. So I think that the experience that I have as a developer will really help me in this role as well. And secondly, sir, I like I'm used to the hectic role, and there is so if we are really ready to work hard, this things never be a hectic for me. And convincing people and talking to people is never be a job to me. It's like part of my personality, so I don't consider it as a problem to me, sir. And
Okay.
if that is the problem, and this is something very much rewarding, so I think when you are you will be motivated to work because you will be given incentives. So that is the greatest motivation for me to work.
Okay, cool. Okay, so Jyoti, like you might have to work on weekends also, on week offs also. Whenever you have a week off, if target is not completed, you might have to work
Yes.
on week offs. So will that be
Yeah.
fine?
Sure, so that is fine for me. So as I told you, so your hard work is rewarding, then that itself is a motivation for me to work.
Okay, cool. Okay, so now we'll have some scenario-based questions. Okay, in which I'll be your customer, you'll be a salesperson. Okay, try to convince me to buy something. Okay, so my first
Okay.
question is: suppose I'm coming to your shop and you sell newspapers. Okay, so I just asked
Okay.
you, sell me today's newspaper. Okay,
Okay.
I just asked for today's newspaper, and you have to
Mm.
convince me to buy a 6 months old newspaper. Okay,
Okay.
you're giving
Okay.
me some reasons about that. Okay, so go ahead,
Okay.
try to convince me.
Okay. Hello, sir. I am Jyoti. I am here to sell a newspaper. So may I
Okay,
know what is your profession is?
my profession is basically, see, I am normally an engineer. Okay, but today
Okay.
morning I don't receive the newspaper, so I am here to buy today's newspaper. Do you have today's newspaper?
So do you read newspaper daily, or you read
Yes,
it
daily,
occasionally? Okay,
daily,
you
daily,
read
daily.
newspaper daily. Very nice.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, today I have a newspaper. It is which is 6 months old newspaper. It is not today's, and I wanted to sell it to you because I have seen some of my friends who are engineer. They are generally because you are working in an IT, which means you have enough money. You will be investing in some of the growing companies like Byju's or whatever. Sir, if you this is a newspaper which contain the information regarding, and it has some articles which is having uh, some articles which is there in this newspaper which has a information regarding how to invest the money and about like in mutual fund or any growing companies like that. So if you read this newspaper, it will be helpful for you for your future investment. You can make a very informed decision in that, and it
See,
has
I'll
a
tell you
very
one
good
thing.
articles. Yes, sir.
I'll tell you one thing. Honestly, I don't invest much. Okay, I believe in saving money as of now. I am planning for future, so I'm saving money as of now. Okay. And as you told about knowledge and all, so I have the applications on my phone. There are multiple applications from which I get all the updates. There is no requirement to read newspaper which is 6 months old. So it is way far. So I don't want to read that. I want to go for today's newspaper. That will be all.
Okay. Sir, if you're not investing, it is still fine. Sir, the articles which are there in this, so if you read them, you can increase your verbal communication skills also, because in some of the columns of this newspaper, it also has some grammatical content. Like you can improve your language also, because in IT, if you have an excellent communication skill, you can also excel in the domain that you're working. I think this not only help in that context, it also help. And secondly, sir, if you have a kids at home, they will be well. I mean, they can get the benefit of this newspaper, because as I told you, this has some grammatical information about English grammar also. So you can purchase this not only for single region, for you have many regions, and if you have if your house has some glass work or anything, you can use it for cleaning also after reading the newspaper. So if
Okay.
if you take today's newspaper, you will get a regular updates, which you can have it in your applications also. There are many applications where you can get the updates. But this newspaper, it has a special columns by very good authors. So if you read them, it will be very useful.
Okay, cool. Okay, Jyoti. My next question to you is, suppose you are a seller at a watch shop. You sell watches, okay? And I am a very rich person. I like buying expensive watches like Rado and all, okay? Fossils and Rados, that are something which I buy normally, okay? But you have to convince me to buy a watch which is very old. It might be of 19th century, okay?
Okay.
So you have to sell me that watch, okay? By saying anything, whatever you want, okay? So proceed, go ahead.
Okay. Hello, sir. May I know your good name, please?
My name is Vaibhav.
Okay, sir. So, may I know for what is the reason you want to purchase a
See,
watch?
I'll tell you one thing. I am a IT guy. Okay, I work in an IT company. So we have casual meets many times.
Yeah.
Okay. So see, I have the ambitions to wear like luxurious watch, expensive watches. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have couple of watches, but I want more because whenever I go to a party, I want that I should wear some new watches every time. That is my aspiration, basically. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So what is your do you have any targets? The budget targets do you have, sir?
No, see, I don't have budget targets. It can be up to 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. I can afford that. Not a problem for me.
Okay. Okay. Sir, nice to know that you have these targets to you. Sir, today I'm showing you this HTM watch. So, I'm not sure about the company, if I'm not wrong. So, HMT watch, sir. So, it is 90s or 80s watch, sir. Sir, if you this, as you told, you work in an IT company, so you will be you got to attend some of the formal meetings. So, you have to be very formal in some of the meetings. And if you purchase this watch, which increases your the formal look. And secondly, sir, it also gives some reputed the people look at you will you can influence the subconscious mind of a person, because you look so formal, and whatever you say will be taken so seriously, because you so that is the reason I will recommend you to this watch, sir, because as
No,
you
I
told, you have
understand your
already
thing. I understand your point, but still the thing is that it is very simple watch. I don't like wearing simple watches. Okay, I like wearing watches which are of work, which has work in it. Okay, so I like watches which are have a big dial and some work is there in the dial. That kind of watches. I am fond of that watches. So simple watch will not suit my personality. I'll be very honest with you.
Okay, sir, I understand your concern, sir, but in this watch, it has some special features. Like as you told, you're an IT guy. You like people you can sometimes you may not focus on your health. So this watch will monitor how much the distance that you have traveled. And it also monitors your body blood pressure, and it also blood sugar content in that. So it is a smartwatch, though it is an old company, but it has all the technical regarding the technical aspect of this watch. It has all the best features compared to any other watch available in the market. And as you told, sir, you already have plenty of watches with you, so and which are like with a big dial and all. So now what I can see, the trend is that people are looking for the simple watches with a very good features, and whatever the trend is there at right now, so this watch fulfill all of them. So that is the reason I'm recommending you. It not only make you look very formal, but it is very much updated, which suits your mentality. You don't need to check your phone again and again to what messages you got or what calls you got. So this watch will let you know what messages you got, be it WhatsApp or regular or email, anything. This you will get a notification on the dial itself. So
But do you think,
and
in
your
19th century there were smartwatches? I don't think so. There were smartwatches in 19th century. It
no
cannot
sir,
be there.
yeah, but these days they are also updated to, because of a lot of competitors at the market, so they have upgraded themselves.
No, but whatever upgrade is there, I told you it is a 19th century watch. So okay, so situation should be like that, right? It cannot have a smartwatch feature and all in that. Okay, not a problem.
Yes
Okay,
sir. Okay.
not a problem. Not a problem. Okay, so we'll move to next question now. Okay, so my next question to you is: suppose you have to sell a Audi to a rickshaw puller. Okay,
Okay.
he has an aspiration to buy a expensive car. Okay, he cannot afford though because he has a less earning. He earns only 5,000 rupees per month, but he has an aspiration to buy a Audi someday.
Okay.
So casually he's coming to your showroom and he's asking you about the Audi, that what is the price of Audi and how the Audi looks and all that. Okay, so you have to convince him to buy a Audi. How do you go for it?
Okay. Sure. Nice to know that Rukshawala person is aspiring to buy a Audi car, which is a great thing and which is very positive thing to a country like India, which is absolutely growing these days. So now
Okay.
I'm showing you to this Audi car. So which starting price itself is 32,000. Sir, as you told, you're
Okay.
a rickshaw puller. Yeah. So as you told, you're a rickshaw puller. So I think you will be having BPL card something. So people who are wanted to invest in the expensive luxurious items like Audi car, so government is providing you with some of the incentives. Like the government will pay some 30% and you have to pay 70%. So this kind of things is only for a BP. I mean middle class families like you, sir. So these
Okay, I
facilities will
understand,
not be
Jyoti.
there.
I understand your point, but still 70% is also a way big amount to me. I was expecting 5-6 lakh rupees car, okay, and you are telling me
Okay.
35 rupees, 35 lakh rupees car. So it is a way long amount for me. I cannot bear this amount.
Okay. Fine, sir. Sir, how many are there at your home and what is the purpose you want to purchase this car?
See, I was aspiring that I'll like book a ride in this, okay, because I am a
Okay.
rickshaw puller, so I want to
Okay.
upgrade myself to a car,
Okay.
Audi car,
Okay.
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 Yes, that was my
Okay.
plan actually, but my budget is actually of 5 lakh rupees. That will be all.
Okay.
I cannot pay more
Okay.
than that.
Okay. It is still fine, sir. As I told you, you have to pay only 70% of the budget. So in this also, you have to pay a down payment, like some 3 lakhs as a for a registration sake. The rest of the amount you have to pay in the form of EMI. So and that EMI will be of zero interest. And it like that is the, I mean, you don't need to pay entire amount, sir. You have to pay only 3 lakhs at this first go, and then you have to pay some amount every month, and the zero interest will be there on EMI, sir. And sir, in
No,
this
I
vehicle you
understand.
can,
See, I
yes sir.
understand your point, but still, I have to pay the amount, right? So every month I have to pay something. I have to pay 35 lakh rupees, whatever your price is. Okay.
Yes sir.
So that I have to pay one day. Okay. So that will be a
Yes.
big hectic situation for me. How can I manage all these things?
Yes, sir. Sir, if you are ready for it, sir, you have to pay small amount every month. In that also, you can use it, like you can upgrade your traveling thing. Like you can use it for transporting your passengers, and you can charge more from them also, because this has all the excellent features. And whoever the passengers comes to you will not be an ordinary person. So they will be an like people who are from the very good families, and they are ready to pay. If you are taking up people from one place to other place in the Audi car, it's not a small thing. Like even in Ola and Uber, they are charging so much for an ordinary car. And if you are taking your passengers in an Audi car, means they will be ready. Like if you are using it in traveling between airport to or any like metro, like metro in metro cities, if you are traveling between the airport to some other places, then you can charge more amount. In that amount only you can pay it as a EMI, so it will not, it's never going to be burden you.
Okay. Okay, Jyoti. Cool. Got your point. Okay. So tell me three positive points about COVID-19. Three
COVID-19
positive
3
things
positive.
happened. Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir. What I realized, three things that people are looking for some luxury stuffs and all. This made us realize that health is the very important thing, and the doctors are the most important, and those are the people we should treat them as a god, because the health is the important thing. And secondly, sir, So like family. So if most of the people are busy in their own way, but family is something very much important that we realized. And in India, we generally neglect the hygiene. So like people treat, if you are not, I mean, if you are focusing on hygiene, which means like you are so much focused on health or anything. But this has shown that we have to be very conscious on whatever we do. So
Cool.
and second thing, sir, it has like people have become more disciplined, is what I have seen.
Cool. Okay, got your point. Now we'll have some academic questions, Jyoti. Okay. My first question to you is, how many UTs are there in India? Union territories.
There are 8 UTs.
Can you name them?
Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, and Diu Daman, and Andaman, Lakshadweep, and this thing, Puducherry, and Chandigarh, Delhi. So
Delhi.
these are
Okay.
the, yes.
Cool. Okay, got your point. Now I'll be asking you some states. I'll tell you some states. Tell me the capital city of those states. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
first is, what is the capital city of Bihar?
Bihar, Patna.
Okay. What is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh?
Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow.
Lucknow. What is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh?
Bhopal.
Okay. What is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, cool. Okay. So now we'll move to next section of questions. Okay. What is the basic difference between ratio and fraction?
Ratio and fraction. So these two are seems to be same, but like in fractions, so this the entire number itself is the same. Like you're representing something. For example, if you consider a pizza, so if you take half of the pizza, your representation is 1/2, which is half. So that is called fraction. Whereas in ratio, you are saying like you are dividing the same thing, and like the entire number is considered as a single unit in fraction. Whereas in ratio, the denominator is different, and the uh, that something down thing, that is treated as separate. I mean, whatever there in the like upper portion, so that is considered another entity, and the down, that other part is considered as separate entity. So the entire number is not considered as the same thing.
Okay,
Denominator
cool.
is something, and numerator is something.
Okay. Do you know what is the plants making of food way is called? What is the name of that way from which plants makes food?
Photosynthesis.
Okay, cool. Now my question is, suppose I am keeping a plant at my room. Okay. I am giving them everything. Suppose I'm giving them water, oxygen, whatever is required. But one replacement I have done, I have just put a bulb in my room instead of sunlight. Okay. I'm not giving it sunlight. I'm just giving a bulb light. Okay. But assume that the energy is same. Whatever sun was giving, I'm giving the same energy to the plant. Okay. That is not possible in real life, but assume that hypothetically that is possible. Okay. I'm giving the same energy as sun was giving to that particular plant. Okay. So will the process happen in my room or not? That is my question.
Okay. So actually, for the photosynthesis process, there are some chemicals which are important for the process to happen. If you are not allowing the sun to penetrate in the room, you have to give whatever the vitamins or chemicals needed for the
I'm
plant to
giving
grow.
that. I'm giving
So
that.
if, yes, sir, if you are giving, that is enough for the process to happen.
Yeah?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Vitamin, as in which vitamin you're talking about?
Like vitamin D should be there.
Vitamin D
So,
should be there. Okay.
yes.
Cool. Okay. If I'm giving vitamin D, then that will happen. Otherwise, it will not happen. That is your concern, right?
Sir, there are many chemicals, and there are many chemicals should be there. So if we are ready to give all that in the form of energy, then it is possible for the photosynthesis process to happen.
Cool. Okay.
But
Now
I
we'll move
think
to
you
BDA.
cannot give, yes, sir, but I
Yes,
don't
go
think so.
ahead.
Like vitamin D can be provided in any other form. So apart from
Right.
this race, yes.
Absolutely. Correct. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move to BDA questions. Consider you are a BDA of Byju's and you are coming to my house to sell Byju's. Okay. So
Okay.
situation is now I was using the free application of Byju's. Everything was free for
Okay.
me. I was learning from free of cost. Okay. So Byju's told me that you will have 15 days of free period. You can use 15 days
Okay.
free of cost the application. Okay. Suppose
Okay.
13 days has passed already. Okay. And now 2 days are left for my free period. And after that, I have to pay the amount. I have to recharge it, okay, or pay the amount to use the application, okay. So
Yes.
suppose I am using it, and you are an executive of Byju's. You are giving me a call regarding this. That sir, your expiry, your free session will be over now in 2 days, and then you'll have to purchase it, okay.
Yeah.
So how will you convince me? I don't want to buy. I just want to use the for free of cost. I don't want to
Okay.
buy or I want to spend money. I don't want anything like this, okay.
Okay.
So how will you convince me in this situation to buy Byju's?
Okay. So, hello, sir. I am Jyoti calling from Byju's. May I know your name, please?
My name is Vaibhav.
Okay. Sir, I realized that you have used our application for 13 days. And would you like to continue with the product, sir?
No, actually, I was just exploring the application. I don't want to buy and all, okay. My motive
Okay.
was just to check because everywhere I was seeing Byju's. Shah Rukh Khan was coming, showing Byju's is
Okay.
very good. Indian jersey, there was a Byju's written. So I was just exploring what is Byju's. That's all.
Okay. So, may I know, are you working professional, or I mean, may I know about like any kids are there at home?
Yes, actually, I am a teacher myself, okay. So I teach to
Okay.
class 8 and 9, okay. And I have two
Okay.
kids. One is in class third and one is in class first.
Okay, so excellent to know that, sir. Sir, like I realize that you have a necessity of this product, and the reasons are you already a teacher, and you have two kids at home. So sometimes you may not be able to give enough time to your both the kids. This application will really help both of your kids if you buy this product. And because,
No, see,
sir,
I tell you one thing that I teach in the same school where my kids study. Okay, the schools is
okay,
same, so I take class of my kids, and after reaching home also I teach them like 2 to 3 hours.
okay,
That is sufficient, I
okay,
think. I'm giving sufficient time to my kids. Not a problem.
okay. So which subject are you teaching?
Everything in class one. See what in class one we have to teach like
Okay.
alphabets and number values, addition, subtraction, kind of situation.
Yes.
So it is very easy as of now. So Byju's is not
Okay.
required as of. I'll take in
But
future. If I require it after class 6 or 7, I'll think of it. I'll let you know. I have your number.
But you have a elder child which is in class fifth, I guess, right?
Third. He's in class third.
Third standard. Okay, you are teaching both of your kids.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, it is still fine, sir. Sir, we at Byju's, generally kids love this animated stuffs and all. So you cannot show all those animated videos in a classrooms, like which in a typical classrooms. But here at Byju's, sir, your child not just simply watch the videos, he just enjoy the classes that we have at Byju's. So we have a 3D animated videos which allow your child to spend more time on learning. And secondly, so because we have partnered with Disney and Osmo, so they have like you might be seeing your child might be watching TV and all, so he don't spend time on TV. So he will switch to Byju's application. He keep learning where you no need to worry about your child's education or anything, because this is something which keep on entertaining your child in the entire course of his learning. And secondly, sir,
Okay.
this it yeah, because as you are a teacher, so you can also watch these videos where it also, like if you see these videos, you can also think something which you never thought before, like which you never thought, like this can also be told in this way. So that is also possible, because as a teacher, if you watch these videos, you will get more content than which you already have. So like two steps
Okay.
can happen at one go, sir. And also,
Cool.
sir, we
Okay.
also, yeah, and you can also track the performance of your child, so like you can check, like how your child's memory is doing. Like we have a statistics where you have a entire data about your child's performance, and does he have a sharp memory, and based on that you can make a career course to your child in future. So that is
Cool.
also there. And yes, sir.
Impressive.
And
Great.
yes, sir. And sir, we also have we have a learning in the form of games. Like today's kids are something that they really need a games every day. So you don't need to take mobile from your child, and you don't need to punish your child not to use games. So because in this we already have a games, your child can play those games, and he can also learn through those games. So that is also there, and that is when the content which the child learns through those games can retain the information for a longer time. He don't remember, and we don't entertain the rote learning. So the child don't learn just for the sake of examination, because as a teacher you might be knowing kids learn
Hmm.
today and they write it on the exam, and next day they forget. So as a teacher you have seen plenty of kids like that. But if you give your child this product, he will remember the content for a longer time, and he keep I mean that is something keep entertaining him.
ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
okay, cool, good. Okay, my next question to you is, suppose I am a businessman, okay, and you came to my house to sell Byju's, but I am telling that, okay, see, I am a businessman and I'll take my child to do business in future because I have a huge business and I have only one child. So definitely he'll handle my business only. So study is
Okay.
something, it is not important for me. If he'll just
Okay.
pass till class 10th, it is okay for me. I don't want any marks. If he scores 50% also, I am okay with it because I'll teach him business and he'll do good in business. So I don't want
Okay.
studies and all from any application or somewhere. He'll pass. I know he'll pass. This
Okay.
much he'll manage, and then things are fine. So I'll not take Byju's. So how will you convince me?
Okay. Okay. It is still fine, sir. So, what class your child is studying, sir?
Currently, he's in class fourth.
Fourth. Okay. What kind of business you are thinking him to put in?
See, I am in a hardware business. Okay, so
Okay.
I have a
Electronics,
huge
hardware.
business. No, electronics not. It's a mechanical hardware business. Okay,
Okay. Like mechanical business in the sense of
power tools, power tools,
electronic devices,
power
hardware,
tools.
you
Yes,
mean?
power tools.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So see,
Okay.
I have a huge business. Okay, so
Okay.
I have
Okay.
2, 3 shops in this particular
Okay.
city. Okay,
Okay.
and I am the only person to handle. So definitely, I would be
Okay.
needing a hand to for help me
Okay.
to run all this business. So after some time, I'll not be able to do all this. So my
Yes,
child
sir.
will definitely handle. So I don't want studies and all. I just want that he'll pass and somehow he'll pass and then I'll put him to business. Not a problem.
Okay. You want your child to take up your business to
Yes, 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 yes,
expand. Yes, I understand your concern. So
yes,
yes, sir,
yes.
what you have planned for your child is excellent, but we should also, like, we cannot decide what your child will decide when he comes to majority. So that is something. For that, the ground should be very strong. His root should be very strong. His foundation should be very strong. Because you are saying your child is still in fourth standard, so whatever you have planned for him, he may not like when he reach or 18 or 20. So ensure that your foundation of your child is very strong. Like later, if you are saying that you have a hardware company, so for that also your child should have a basic information regarding what is capacitor, what is transistor, and he must be knowing how it works. Unless he don't know, like if he doesn't know the functioning of such a small things, he cannot expand your business. So that is the reason I'm telling you. You please take our product. Let your child learn everything what is necessary to the age that he is in. So once he comes to a majority, and he will decide what he wants. And if he's interested in business, he can, through the knowledge he already that he has, so he can expand his business. So I recommend this product so that whatever he's learning today, he should learn it properly. So that
Okay,
in future he must not face any problem.
okay, cool. Okay,
Yes.
okay, Jyoti. So my next question to you is, what is your salary expectation from the company?
Sir, since I'm a fresher, so I don't have any such expectation, but I know this Byju's will provide a good package. So that is what I
Okay.
believe in.
And tell me something, Jyoti. You are a 2016 graduate. Okay.
Yes.
So I have people who are 2021 graduate. Okay.
Yes.
Recently, they are a fresher, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why not to hire them? Why to hire you? You have already 5 years of backlog in your career.
Okay.
So why should I go with you?
Okay. Okay. So what I learned through these 5 years is something like I have seen a lot of rejections, and I know how the society is, and I also know how to convince. So these 5 years of black, like it doesn't showcase my negative qualities, but I have learned so much that you cannot train your the people whoever you select. But if you feel, sir, if somebody else is better than me, I will work on my negatives and then I'll apply again if I get rejected. But if you want me to tell why I should be hired, because I am a very hardworking person. So if something is motivating me, like the company like Byju's is something very rewarding, the BDA role is very much rewarding. That itself is enough for me to work really hard. And secondly, sir, I have a convincing skills. Like because like why the reason for why I applied for BDA is people trust me when I speak. So that is what I have observed myself in all these days. So when I speak, I just don't speak because I speak only when there is a content. So I have seen that thing happening in my life. So that is the reason you can trust me. So because I have those convincing qualities. And secondly, sir, like in this job, it needs a communication skills. I believe I have that. And I have a persistence in whatever I do. I don't give up so easily. So I ensure that, so I'll stick to what I have to do and I'm ready to work hard. So if you still find better person than me, I'm okay with that. And
Great, great answer. Okay, cool. So I think the interview is done now.